What's up guys? Good morning. Happy Father's Day to all the wonderful fathers in the world. Welcome again to another video of Shakema at home. Okay guys, so let's get started on the Escovitch sauce. The pickles, pepper, carrot, scotch bonnet pepper and onion. We're going to pickle them in some white vinegar, sugar, and a little bit of salt for taste. So let's get started. So for the peppers, I'm just going to julienne the peppers. You don't have to use pepper, you can just use onion and hot pepper, the scotch bonnet pepper. That's it. You use what you have. I'm just going to take this pepper and I'm just going to place them here like so. Then I'm going to cut the onion in circle this way. And I'm using 2 onions for this recipe. You can use purple onion if you want also, but I'm using the white onion because we grow up knowing just to use the white onion, so I'm doing what I was taught. But you can jazz it up and use your purple onion for a brighter and vibrant colors. And I'm just opening it up like so, like that, and then I'm going to place it to the side over there. Then I'm going to take the carrots. I'm going to julienne the carrot like so. I'm going to take my carrot, place it back like so together, see that, and then I'm just going to slice it down. Ooh. You have to be careful with this because the carrot is hard, so you don't want it to slip and mash up your finger. You just do like that. You don't want it too small and you don't want it too thick. So like you know, the size you think, like this, that is best for you. Pickle carrot, pickle onion, pickle cucumber. You can pickle as much things as you would like in vinegar. Taste is really good. And then for the scotch bonnet pepper, I'm just going to slice them. With the scotch bonnet pepper, you have to be very careful because you don't want to make the mistake and to rub that in your eyes, because boy, you can take out the seeds if you want, but I'm going to leave the seeds in mine. You just slice it down, and it's good if you have different colors also, like you have the red pepper, the yellow pepper, because it brightens up the color when it go together in the butter. See that? Okay guys, so to this pot I'm going to add some white vinegar, about a cup of white vinegar inside. And I'm going to leave that start to boil a little, like just make little bubbles in it, and then I'm going to add the hot pepper inside the vinegar so it can, you know, release all that spiciness in the vinegar water. So now I'm just infusing the hot Scotch bonnet pepper with the seeds and everything inside of the white vinegar, inside of the water. Then I'm going to get myself a spoon and I'm just going to mix it together. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my carrots first. The reason why I'm adding the carrot first is because the carrot is a little bit harder than the peppers, so that is the reason I'm adding it first to the vinegar and the hot pepper. Like that, and then just leave that for just a little few minutes. Next guys, I'm adding a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of white granulated sugar, and then I'm just going to mix this in like so, like it dissolves. Guys, the pepper with the vinegar killing me. When I tell you it's killing me, opening inside my head. And to that, I'm going to add the onions now to the pot, like so. And remember guys, you're not cooking the veggies because you still want them to hold this texture when they go on top of the fish, on top of that fried fish. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add my peppers to the pot. And just stir it in or mix it in or toss it, whichever one you think is suitable for you. And look at that vibrant color. Look how beautiful it looks guys, just look. And when they sit and this marinate and you leave this, just put it in a bottle, leave it inside your cupboard or inside your fridge for 1, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Oh my god, you can't have enough of this pickle. Can't have enough, impossible. And I'm going to leave this for like 4 more minutes and then that's it. So as you can see guys, it starts to simmer down. So right about now I'm going to turn off the stove and I'm going to leave it cool down for maybe like 10 minutes, and then I'm going to pour it in the bottle. See that? Okay guys, so I'm just going to take a spatula. If you notice, it's have the rubber on there, and I'm just going to place all this goodness into a jar bottle. Okay guys, so we're going to make some fish today for Sunday. It's Sunday inside our house and we're going to make some fish, and today is Father's Day also. So happy Father's Day to all the fathers. Big up on yourself, enough love and enough respect for the dedicated fathers and for the ones them who trying also. So yesterday morning I went by the fish market in Simpson Bay and I got myself some fish, some fresh fish. I asked the lady to scale it for me, so it's already scaled clean already, and put lemon already from since yesterday, but this morning I'm washing it again, and I'm going to put some white vinegar inside the water all over the fish. So I washed it yesterday with lemon when I get it from the fish market, to cut the rawness of the fish while I place it in the fridge for today. And now I'm washing it with some white vinegar, and we're going to season them up, and we're going to fry them and make a delicious escovitch fish escovitch sauce to put on top of these fish. Look how beautiful they is.
Whoa!
Look at that. Yeah.
Mommy.
I'm just making some cut inside the fish so I can season it, so the season can go through it and give the fish some good flavors. And another thing for the cut too, it make the fish don't flick up. You ever see some fish when you buy some fish and like one side up and one side down? It's because they didn't put no cut inside it. They try to fry it just like that. See that, guys? This is a big one. So inside this bowl I'm going to add some complete season, and you know complete season is a mixture of a lot of different season inside it, so you don't need much season again to go with it. And some Maggi cube also, like one Maggi cube, and I'm going to just break it up inside it. So mix some flavors, use your fingers and just crush everything together like so, like that. Get your napkin, a piece of napkin, and dry your fish. Dry your fish, because you don't want, when you put it inside the pot with the oil, it start to flash up because it have too much water in it. Then you're going to take your seasoning and you're just going to put it all over your fish, in the cuts, in the middle, and just season it up just like that. You see that, guys? Make sure every part of your fish have your season on it. You just place it aside, and then you just continue the procedure. Okay guys, so make sure your oil is hot, like 350 degree hot, and then you're going to take your fish by its tail, and you're just going to place it down in the pot just like that. So as you see, guys, I'm doing one fish at a time because I don't want to break it up. I just turn it. Look how beautiful that is. Nice, well seasoned to perfection. Okay guys, so this one is finished. So I'm just going to remove it from the pot and place it on this plate here and some napkins. Okay guys, so I finished to fry the fish, so I just adding it to a foil pan. I have some fresh oranges here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to place some orange, you know, at the four corner for decoration, make it look nice. And then we're going to pour the escovitch sauce over it. Taking a tongue, and I'm just placing the pickle on top of the fish, like so. Like that. Look how beautiful it looks, guys. Lovely. Just like that. And there you go, guys, our escovitch fish. Make sure you like, you tell a friend, you comment below, and in everything you do, put God first. Okay guys, so I just finished doing my catering for today for the church there in Colby and KB. So here I have some French fried chicken, I have some baked chicken right here, I have some vegetable rice here, I have some fried rice here, I have Escovitch fish, I have salad, and I have macaroni salad, my favorite and famous macaroni salad with pineapple, tomato, green pepper, yellow pepper, cucumber inside it. And I have more, but the table cannot hold so much, so this is what I have here, and I'm going to drop it off now, start the delivery. Beautiful, right? It's the fish for me. Yes.